Hello students, in today's video we are going to do exercise 5.1 from the chapter Continuity and Differentiability. 14th question is, discuss the continuity of the function f where f is defined by f of x is equal to 3 from 0 to 1, 4, 1 to 3, 5, 3 to 10. The function is given from 0 to 10. The closed interval 0 to 10. So closed interval including 0 and 10 it is given. So we have to check at 0, at 10 and in between 1 and 3. We have to check at 0, at 10 and also in between 1 and 3. So how do you check whether the function is defined at 0? So you know that left of 0 the function doesn't exist. So we are going to find the value of the function at 0 and the right limit at 0. You need not find the left limit because the function doesn't exist the left of 0. So at 0 the value of the function and the right limit. Then we have to check whether the right limit is equal to the value of the function at 0. So at 0, what is the value of the function? It is a constant function everywhere. 0, it is given as 3. So the value of the function at 0 is 3. So f of 0 is equal to 3. Limit x tends to 0 plus of f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, that is the right of 0, the function is 3. So we can see that f of 0 is equal to the limit, the right limit. We are only finding the right limit at the point 0 because left side the function is not defined or not given at all. So the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now the next point, the function, what is the next point we have to check? 1. At 1. So at 1, the left, right, the function is defined. Okay. So we have to check at 1 the value of the function. Then we have to check the left limit and the right limit. So at 1 the value of the function is again at 1. You can see that the functional value is 3. At 1 it is 3. Now we have to check the left of 1. What is the left of 1? The left of 1, the function is 3. Left side of 1. What about right of 1? It is 4. So the left of 1 it is 3 and right of 1 it is 4. That means there is a break here, there is a jump here. So the function is not continuous at 1. What about 0 to 1? From 0 to 1, exclude 0. From 0 to 1, it is a constant function. It is just 3. 3 is a constant function. The constant function is always continuous. So at 0 it is continuous, 0 to 1 it is continuous, at 1 it is discontinuous. Then what about 1 to 3? 1 to 3 the function is constant function. So it is continuous. 1 to 3 it is continuous. What about 3? Left of 3 it is 4 and right of 3 it is 5. Isn't it? Left of 3, less than 3 it is 4. Right of 3 it is 5. So the function is not continuous at 3. What about 10? Next point is 10. So that is the closed interval. So we have to find whether the function is continuous or not at 10. So at 10, find the value of the function. At 10, the functional value is 5. Equal to 10, you can see it is 5. What about less than, very close to 10, less than 10? Less than 10 also we can see the function is, value of the function is 5. So left limit is equal to the value of the function at 10. If you want to find the continuity at 0, you have to find the value of the function at 0 and then right of 0. At 10, we want to check the continuity. At 10, we have to find and then left of 10. So you can see here the function is continuous at x is equal to 0 because f of 0 is 3 and the right limit is also 3. And from 0 to 1, the function is a constant function. From 0 to 1, it is a constant function. So constant function is always continuous. At 1, f of 1 is 3 and the left limit is equal to 3 and the right limit is equal to 4. So you can see that at 1, the left limit is 3, right limit is 4 because the limit doesn't exist. So the function is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Next we have to find from 1 to 3. So from 1 to 3 the function is a constant function. So 1 to 3 it is 4. 1 to 3 the function is 4. Therefore the function is continuous because a constant function, a polynomial function, all continuous everywhere is. Therefore it is continuous. Now we have to check, up to 3 we have checked. Now at 3, what is the value of the function at 3? F of 3 is equal to 5. And what about less than 3? 4. Right side of 3, right of 3, 5. Right of 3, the value of the function is 4. Right of 3, the value of the function is 5. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. The limit doesn't exist. Therefore, the limit doesn't exist means the function is not continuous. Limit should exist and limit value should be equal to the value of the function. Only then we say the function is continuous. So therefore, it is not continuous at 3. What about 3 to 10? The value is 5. It's a constant function. From 3 to 10, it is continuous because it's a constant. It's a straight line. So the function is continuous in this interval. Now at 10 what we should do? We have to find the value of the function. Then we have to find the left limit of the function. So you can see that the value of the function is 10 at 10. It is at 10. The value of the function is 5. Left of 10 is also 5. So the value of the function f of 10 is 5. The left limit is also equal to 5. So the function is continuous at 10. X is equal to 10. So where is the function not continuous? The function is not continuous at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. Now we'll move on to the next question. Question number 15 is similar to the question number 14. Now again, the limit is less than 0 and greater than 1. So it is the function less than 0, it is given as 2x. And from 0 to 1 it is 0 and greater than. So less than 0, the function is at 0 we have to find. Before that, what is the function given? F of x is equal to 2x. 2x is a linear function. It is continuous. Linear function is a polynomial with a degree 1. So it is continuous. So less than 0, the function is continuous. Now we have to find at 0. So how do you find at 0? Value of the function at 0 is, at 0 means equal to 0, you have to check. At 0, the value of the function is 0. So f of 0 is 0. So the function value is 0. Now we have to find the left limit. So how do you find the left limit? You have to take, there is a variable x here. So left of 0, it is 2x. So left of 0 means 0 minus, that is, you have to substitute x as 0 minus h. So when h tends to 0, when you put x as 0 minus h, when x tends to 0, that is when you put x as 0, what happens to h? H will tend to 0. X tends to 0, h will tend to 0. So h tends to 0, 2 into 0 minus h. So when you put h as 0 here, it becomes 0. So the left limit is approaching 0. Now right limit we have to see right of 0. So right side of 0, the value is a constant 0. So right side is 0. So left limit is equal to right limit, that is not enough. Limit exists, that is not enough. We have to check whether the limit value is equal to the value of the function. Yes, the limit value is also equal to the function value. Therefore, the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. So we have checked whether it is continuous less than 0, and yes, it is continuous because it's a linear function. At 0 we have checked. What about 0 to 1? So that you have to check from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1, what is the value of the function given? F of x is equal to 0. So 0 is a constant, therefore it is continuous. Therefore it is continuous. So from 0 to 1 we have checked. Now what about at 1? So we have to check whether the function is continuous at 1. So we have to find the value of the function at 1. The value of the function at 1 is 0. Left of 1, 0. Right of 1. So left of 1 it is 0. Right of 1 the function is 4x. There is a variable here 4x. So how do you find the right limit? You have to put x is equal to 1 plus h. So when x tends to 1, we are tending x to 1. X tends to 1, h tends to 0. When I substitute x as 1, h will approach 0. So h approaches 0. 4 into x is replaced by 1 plus h. So when you put h is 0, it will become 4. So you can see that left limit is approaching 0 and right limit is approaching 4. That means the limit doesn't exist. If the limit doesn't exist, that means the function is not continuous. So at x is equal to 1, the function is not continuous. What about greater than 1? So f of x is the last one. If x is greater than 1, f of x is 4x. So it is a linear function. So when it is a linear function, it is continuous. It is continuous. So where is the function discontinuous? Therefore the function is discontinuous only at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. Okay. So you can see that less than 0, at 0, less than 0 it is 2x, is continuous. At 0, left limit, right limit both are equal and equal to the function value. Therefore it is continuous at 0. 0 to 1 it is a constant, so it is continuous. At 1, that left limit is 0 and the right limit is approaching 4. So at 1 the function is not continuous. Now we'll move on to the next question. Question number 16. F of x is equal to minus 2 when x is less than or equal to minus 1. 2x when x is between minus 1 and plus 1, and 2 if x is greater than 1. So less than minus 1, f of x is equal to minus 2. So you know minus 2 is a constant function, therefore it is continuous. So less than minus 1, the function is continuous. At minus 1 we have to check. So we have to find the value of the function at minus 1. At minus 1 the value is minus 2. Then we have to see the left limit. The left of minus 1 is minus 2. Now right of minus 1 is, we have to check, that is also equal to minus 2. So f of minus 1 is minus 2. Left limit is approaching minus 2. Right limit is, you have to replace x as minus 1 plus, isn't it? It's minus 1 plus h. Now substitute h is 0, you get minus 2. So at minus 1, left of minus 1, right of minus 1, it is minus 2. Therefore the function is continuous at minus 1. Now we have to check from minus 1 to 1. From minus 1 to 1, minus 1 less than x less than 1. What is f of x given? F of x is equal to 2x. It is a linear function. It is a linear function. Therefore it is continuous. Okay, so now we have to check at 1. At 1 the function is defined as 2x. Less than 1 is also 2x. Right side, right of 1 is also equal to 2. So at 1, at x is equal to 1, f of x is 2x, so f of 1 is 2. So the value of the function at 1 is 2. At 1 it is 2. Now we have to see the left side, left of 1. So left of 1 the function is defined as 2x. So how do you find the left limit? Put x is equal to 1 minus h. So when I put x as 1 minus h, when x tends to 1, h will tend to 0. So 2 into 1 minus h. Put h is 0, I get 2. So left limit is also 2. What about right limit? Right of 1, the function is given as 2 itself. So it's a constant function. So once again here, left limit is equal to right limit and the limit value is equal to the function value. Therefore, the function is continuous at x is equal to 1. The function is continuous at x is equal to 1. Now, greater than 1. After 1, the function is constant. So, greater than 1, the function is constant function. Therefore, the function is continuous. It is constant function is continuous. So, we can see in this, the function is continuous everywhere. Isn't it? So less than minus 1, it is a constant, it is this side it is continuous. Minus 1 we checked, plus 1 we checked, minus 1 to 1 is a linear function, it is continuous, greater than is continuous, therefore the function is continuous everywhere. Thank you.